Welcome back, everyone, onto the official first episode of, going through the garage. So I'm gonna start with pulling Roxy out. Gonna get right into it. We got a couple things just around in here. Just a couple detail equipment, but a lot of the stuff is from the previous owners. So we're gonna get right into cleaning, get out, taking things off the wall, and starting that way. Now that we have everything off the walls, we're gonna get into taking them off. So let's hop right in. Well, towards the ends of there, they had stripped out the screws. So I had used a good old hammer and flathead and busted it in there. Anyway, that worked. But we're gonna get on to this next piece. Well, now that we've got a somewhat clean wall, at least a good fresh start, gonna get down to it and clean up this floor, make it all clean, and get some of the stuff tossed out. Good morning. We're getting back into it and haul all of this crap off. So let's go. Now that we've got a broom, we're gonna go ahead and open it up and get to clean this floor up. So let's hop right in. Now we're gonna move to the other side, move all this crap over, and get it cleaned up, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Now that it's all clean, it's gonna be a little bit, but next we're gonna get a wall overhaul on it. But this ends the first official episode of going through and renovating the garage. Hope y'all have a great day. I'll see y'all in the next one.